Hi to IPO subscribers. Welcome to eaglelive.ai. Today let us review IPO from Purple Style Labs Limited, a main board IPO. Here we go on IPO review. This, as you know, this financial analysis is generated by AI Power software, and based on the metrics given to the software, this company has been categorized as a net worth eroded company. So financial analysis. Let us see health analysis, solvency. Solvency ensures the sustainability of the company. Here, all the metrics are negative. That means company sustainability is very weak and sustainability is doubtful, totally doubtful. So, next is, see, net worth eroded. My net worth is minus 52.28 crores, right? So, net worth eroded company. And coming to liquidity, as you know, liquidity ensures the survival of the company. Here, all the ratios, that current ratio, quick ratios are negative. So, liquidity is very weak. Coming to operational efficiency, gross margin ratio is 37.4. Working capital turnover is minus 2.21. That means working capital is negative. So that is the reason why it is minus 2.21. Here also, totally poor. So financial irregularities, yes. Here there is a financial irregularities means funds have been diverted. Funds diverted to 255.52 crores, shortfall in driving power 255.52 crores, and absence of working capital margin is 175.2 crores. Company is totally in heavy losses. EBITDA minus 87.56. EBIT is minus 188.31. PBT is minus 285.41. PAT 287.71. Cash profit minus 186.95. EPS minus 41.98. EBITDA margin minus 15.44. Net profit margin minus 51.16. ROC minus 23.56. ROE is nil. Book value per share minus 7.66, and cash flow from operating activities minus 34.9, and cash flow from investing active minus 52.45, cash flow from used in financing activity 92.54, net cash flow per year is 5.2 crore. So I do not know how SEBI has allowed to access public issue, but here the investors are going to pay heavy price in case you subscribe this company. So market value based on the 575 market price earning ratio, we are getting minus 13.69 because EPS is minus, and price to book value is minus 75.75. So where is the question of valuation? So can you expect any valuation here? So coming to growth indicators, only one is positive, sales growth is positive, and rest are negative. So this is the financial status of the company, and investors, you can expect the companies like this also coming for IPO. So we must be thankful to SEBI for the respect they have on investors. Anyway, this is the financial analysis of the company. Now let us go on IPO review. Here is the IPO review. Let us start. Purple Style Labs IPO, premium fashion story or expensive valuation. Purple Style Labs has fixed and its IPO price brand at 546 to 575 rupees with a 680 crore fresh issue. At the upper band, the implied post-issue market capitalization is around 4,604 crore. The IPO opens on August 31st, 2026. Purple Style Labs IPO, business valuation and investor view. Let us see business overview. Purple Style Labs is the parent company of Perina's Pop-Up Shop, a multi-brand luxury fashion platform. Offers luxury women's wear and men's wear, wedding and occasion wear, jewelry and accessories, kids wear, operates through an omni-channel model, experience centers, website and mobile app, digital and telephone sales, events and exhibition, strong designer ecosystem with more than 1,000 designer brands, operates 14 experience centers, including locations in India and overseas, serves premium customers across India, US, UK, Middle East, Australia, and other markets. The business benefits from the growing premiumization of Indian wedding and luxury consumption. Why the story looks attractive? Large market opportunity. India's wedding and luxury fashion market are expanding rapidly. Consumers are increasingly willing to spend on premium and designer fashion. Rising disposable income are supporting luxury consumption. Indian designers are gaining international visibility. Perinoya pop-up shop will provide designers with access to a wider customer base without requiring them to build their own distribution network. Strong brand position. Perinia's pop-up shop has built a recognized position in Indian luxury fashion. Large designer network and a premium customer base create an important competitive advantage. Omni-channel presence combines the convenience of online shopping with the physical luxury retail experience. IPO details 680 crore, 100% fresh issue, price band 546, 575, issue entirely fresh issue. IPO proceeds will mainly be used for 371.13 crores lease liabilities and related expenditure through PSL retail. So they have some expenditure towards lease liabilities and related expenditure through the PSL retail. Okay, 139.8 9 crores is sales and marketing. So they want to go for some increase in marketing. So they're spending that money. The issue is therefore intended primarily to support expansion, retail, infrastructure, and customer acquisition. Valuation, the big question. Is Purple Style Labs future growth strong enough to justify its current valuation? This is the key investor concerns. At the upper price band, 575, Purple Style Labs is seeking a post-issue valuation of approximately 4,604 crores. So, of course, this is good, but the company is currently loss-making. Valuation, EPS negative, PA not meaningful because the company is loss-making, net worth totally eroded, return on net worth negative, operating cash flows negative, financial 26 net loss approximately 285 crores, and financial year 26 revenue approximately 558 crores. That's it. So financial year 26 revenue grew about 14%, but the company is continued to report a substantial loss, making conventional earnings-based valuation difficult. The valuation problem, investors are not buying proven profitability today. They are effectively paying for brand growth potential and luxury market opportunities feature. The question is, when the company could not achieve any results till date, what is the guarantee that they can achieve the good results tomorrow in the future? So it is the investor who should think on that. The problem is that future profitability has not yet been demonstrated. So it is the investors. So who should decide? My valuation view, valuation is aggressive, totally aggressive. This is not a traditional value IPO. There is a limited valuation comfort from PE because earnings are negative. Therefore, investors need to focus on revenue growth, GMV growth, gross margin, store level economics, customer acquisition cost, operating cash flows, path to profit. See, when an investor should do all this, so first of all, you think of whether to invest or not to invest because the position is too worst and too bad. Key risks, financial risk, continued losses, negative operating cash flows, eroded net worth, high dependence on future growth. Business risk, highly competitive luxury fashion market, high marketing and customer acquisition cost, expansion of physical experience centers would increase the fixed cost. So maybe that is the main reason why the company has incurred losses. Fixed costs. They go for number of showrooms. The fixed cost will simply eat the the returns. So, execution risk, growth expectations are high. Management must convert growing GMV and revenue into sustainable profits. Governance operation risk, related party business exposure require monitoring. Past or standard regulatory filing delays are a concern. High employee attrition could affect the execution. When there is a high employee attrition, how we can expect the good employees to have to give a good designs or to good results to the company. So here is a problem is there. Market sentiment, current sentiment, mixed and cautious. Positive factors, strong luxury fashion theme, Greenya's pop-up shop brand recognition, large designer ecosystem, celebrity and institutional investor backing, attractive wedding and luxury consumption opportunity. Entire IPO is a fresh issue, meaning proceeds go to the company. The company has attracted notable investors and celebrity backing, which can improve brand visibility and investor interest. Negative factor, company remains loss-making. Financial year 26 net loss widened to about 285 crores. Conventional PE valuation is not applicable. Implied valuation is around 4,604 crore at the upper band. Investors are being asked to value future profitability rather than current earnings. So only investors should tell whether there will be any future profits or not. So nothing is indicative here. So market indicator as of August 27 indicate gray market data showed GMP around 0, suggesting that unofficial market was no currently pricing in a meaningful premium. GMP is unofficial and can change rapidly, so it should not be treated as a valuation recommendation. Investor checklist. Before investing, watch these 5 numbers after the listing. Revenue growth, GMV growth, EBITDA margin, operating cash flows, path to profitability. If revenue and GMV grow but losses continue to increase, the valuation becomes increasingly difficult to justify. If the company achieves strong growth and rapidly improves margins and cash flow, the current valuation would become more reasonable. See, when the company can give good results, first of all, they should recover all the losses minus net worth, and the financial position should come positive. Then only you can expect some results. But how far the company can achieve all this, it has got its own doubt. So, final investor view, business attractive, market opportunity strong, growth promising, financial health weak, valuation aggressive, market sentiment mixed cautious, final metric, good business story, but not a value IPO. Purple Style Lab has an attractive luxury fashion platform, a strong brand, a large designer network, and exposure to India's growing premium wedding and luxury market. However, the biggest concern is valuation versus current financial performance. The company is still loss-making, has negative earnings and weak cash generation. At an implied valuation of around 4,604, investors are paying for future growth and a successful turnout rather than current profitability. So, investors, if you are prepared to pay for the future profits at the cost of paying investing your hard-earned money, then it is up to you. Eagle Live, Purple Style Lab has the brand and the market opportunity, but does it have the profits to justify the price? Investors are conservative investors, avoid and wait. Growth investor, high risk, watch. Aggressive investor can consider, but only with the high risk appetite. Overall IPO view, 5/10. Closing line. Purple Style Labs may be a premium fashion opportunity, but at this valuation, investors need to ask one crucial question. Are we buying today's earnings or simply paying for tomorrow's growth? So, tomorrow's growth is uncertain. So, nothing is in our hand unless they have some fundamentally strong. In case the company is not fundamentally strong, how you can expect a company to have growth? So, as always, investment decision should be based on your own financial goals and risk tolerance. Thank you for watching. And in case you like this my video presentation, so in case you like my video, please like it, subscribe, and stay connected for more detailed IPO and stock market research. Thank you very much for watching video.